And this is Papa Loves. Hoo-ha!
Kailangan natin mag-aral. Meron silang bagong ano ngayon sa D365. Kaya kailangan may training tayo. Wala pa yung ating ano. This is Papa Loves, guys. Video tayo, guys, para sa ekonomiya. Tingnan natin ang ating tutor. Ma'am, how can I open this, ma'am? Teresa, paano ba ito i-open? Tanong po. Sino ba mag-open ito o tayo? Hey Mark, paano ba dito? Ay ka muna sa vlog ko. Ay vlog.
ABCD lahat.
ABCD ba? Si Kuya Mark ang ating, you know, okay. Ating kalik. Tapos, saan ako pupunta, Kuya?
Tingin na lang natin si Elias.
Si Elias ba? Yung dalawang ano dati, wala na dyan.
Si Muhammad, tsaka si Masadi. Makakasama din.
More on ano ba to? Sa D365 natin bago?
Yung ang pagkakanin ko sa pag-order ng pharmaceutical items.
Pharmaceutical. But sinama nila ako dito sa gatas ako.
Ikaw na daw gagawin. Train nyo na yung kasama. Sa department mo, ikaw na ang pinapunta.
Yung dalawa yata din. Ako muna pinauna. Tapos, ako pinauna, tapos sa akin nila itatanong, mga visit. Si Mama Pay, ha? Yung mga yung mga admin namin doon. Si Mama Fatima pupunta sa akin dito. Dapat si Mama Pay, ha? Tsaka si Ate Oscar. Alam niyo. Wait ako pinapunta. It's a prank, guys. Nabudol ako. Ay, saan ako doon? Ako pinapunta nila. Hindi pa. Attendance muna tayo, guys. Post lang. So, yun, guys. Attendance tayo. Attendance. Ate, pirma ka. yung pag-aaralan namin guys.
Microsoft 365. The all-new Microsoft 365 lets you trade, share, and collaborate all in one place with your favorite apps.
Hindi ba? May favorite pa.
13 gigabyte is introducing Microsoft Copilot guys. Copilot is everyday autopilot work and life. Kasama na yung work, kasama pa yung life. Saan ka pa? Green one.
Tagal naman tayo na. Siyempre dito sa kabila. Okay guys, wait lang. May na tayo may sulit yung mga dapat tandaan. Wait lang guys, wala pa trainer. Wala ring almusal guys. Budol talaga. Gutom ako. Ala nyo. Ang expected ko may cruisan dito. Mayroong small pizza. Gano'n. Ayun, dun lang ako nakikapigil ako yung mga lunch sa SEF. Sa department dati ni Mama Labs. Shoutout Mama Labs. Sa department nyo, andito ako sa department nyo. Kay Marlon. Sabi lang to nila ko yung Marlon. Thank you sa SEF department sa sponsor ng kape. Talagang nabudol ako rito guys. Hindi man lang kami nakapag-almusal. Nagmuntog tuloy ako. Good morning! Yan, namating na yung tayo. Siya yung nasa lubong ang yung sa labas. Nag-almusal muna. Oo. Nag-almusal muna po. Kanina sa labas. Mira. Mga principal pala. Yung mga mayayapang na nurse. Lalahe. Yung tingin niya tayo. Yung may upo. Tapos na mag-umpisa na mga nagkakam. Ayan na guys, nagdadaldalan pa sila. Yung guys, gilgil, katir pa rin. Ako'y manakot, ako'y nagugutom talaga. Grabe. Halos lahat ng staff nyo yung guys, hindi ko nakilala. Puro karamihan dito ngayon. Mga bago. Lalo yung mga balahe, mga Jordanian. Wala na akong kakilala dito na ako na lang yung luma. Ay, ito si ate.
Te.
Shout out. Shout out. Ayan, ito, luma-luma ng konti ito. Shout out ko muna kay ate. Sa YouTube, yan. Yan. Karamihan, halos puro bago lahat. Ayan si ate, ano. Medyo lawa na. Allowed boss, how are you? How are you, boss? Good. Di pa rin nag-uumpisa. Sino ba magtuturo sa atin? Ba't ang tagal naman?
Ba't nag-exam to? Nung ano?
Tayo-tayo lang guys. Yan yung nature ng mga katutubo. Daldal muna bago trabaho. Wala naman kape, wala naman tsa. Wala lang. Feeling lang nila magkwentuhan. Ayaw. Guys, 20 minutes na silang nagkukwentuhan. 20 minutes na silang nagkukwentuhan. Wala namang ginagawa. Tingnan, nakatambay lang yung ano namin. Eh, yung ano ko, hindi pa rin binubuksan.
Sa maybe. Hindi ako sa maybe.
Patay, di ko alam yung password ko. Ano yung password ko? Patay tayo dyan. Kasi sa computer ko nakasave yung password eh. Eh, pag dito ako nag-enter, patay tayo dyan. Try natin ha. Wait lang. Ayun, nabuksan ko guys.
Pati naalala ko.
Tagal naman ng iba. Go to inventory management, periodic task. Good morning all daw. And good morning.
Can we start? Everyone is ready?
Yeah, please. Start na kami guys.
Today, I think it will not take long time. The training was already released last week. Just today, I want to refresh the mind of everyone regarding the process. It says that during last week, I think I grant access to everyone. Anyone face any issue, all have access, or what?
Salamat naman, nag-start na. Tagal mag-delta.
Yes, ship and receive. Then you review the everyone received this manual?
No.
I can't hear anyone. No. We will share this document with everyone today. We will send an announcement and where it's located. Please download it. This end user. It will be a guide for everyone how to use the Dynamics to process the transfer order from any to the full CI. If any new joiner, your colleague came, you want to teach him, it's easy, you can refer him to this end user. Okay? Fine. Let's just start from here. I will summarize what is the process, then we will open the document and we will go step by step. Right. Regarding the transfer order. The transfer order after purchasing and receiving the items to the main warehouse or to the farm IP or whatever the main warehouse, to be able to bring the items to your floor store, you should create on Dynamics 365 a transaction called transfer order. Okay? What is the transfer order? Can you scroll down with us, please? The transfer order between warehouses is a common practice for business with multi-site and multi-warehouse operation, but here in the city we have one site and we have multiple warehouses. You can publishing and sharing inventory, transfer order, or issuing products from a physical warehouse to a virtual transit warehouse, and the receiving the product at the destination warehouse. خلينا بس نكفي تحت. Here in this course, we make an example, a real scenario. How if, let's say, I'm in my store is ST38, I want to transfer some items from the farm ID. Okay? We will start by the steps. First of all, you should go to inventory management, periodic task, transfer order created by you. I think all have access to transfer order created by you.
Yes, yes.
It's the same old procedure. First of all, we will click new. In the from warehouse field, select farm IP from because I'm requesting from farm IP. In the to warehouse, select ST38. It's not mandatory to select ST38. This is just example, not limited. You will select here your warehouse and also from different warehouse. You can request it from farm, you can request the warehouse farm OD or whatever, or MWH to your store. But here, after selecting from to, you should click on add button. In the item number field, enter, select a value, you select the item. Scroll down here, you select the item here that shows the screenshot. In the configuration field, enter or select a value, also we will select the configuration. Then, in the configuration field, select a value. In the requested quantity field, enter a number. You will enter how many quantity you need. Click save, go down. Here, click then what is the next step? We will click on workflow and we will click submit. Anyone have issue on this until now?
No, it's okay.
All use this procedure?
Yes.
Okay, great. Let's show it also the latest information. After workflow approval, go to inventory management, periodic task, all transfer order. The ones in the transfer order created by me. Now we will go to all transfer order. Open transfer order number column filter. We will filter here by your transfer order created, which should be approved. Select enter value of your transfer order number. We will put the number as TO24003XXX. It's each time, each transfer order will have a new number, as you know. As a transfer here field using contain, select here as a filter, you should put contain and TO24 blah 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 or XXX. On the action pane, let's scroll up, click ship. You will find here a new button. This is one of the new steps. You will find ship and receive. Those two buttons was not used before. Now, after the integration, we should use that. Right. We will click ship. Click generate picking list. There is one button here, generate picking list. set it clear for all buttons and documents, it will be clear. Maybe here from the resolution is not clear. Generate picking list. After clicking on generate picking list, scroll down, a new screen will appear here. And this screen, what we should select, بس عمال scroll down where it is. This update and select registered equipment. We should select registered equipment. Okay. If you scroll up your Xeri, here we will find many options. Registered, all, what is also received and registered. From those options, we should use registered equipment. Here forward, scroll down. Here, when this screen will pop up, you will see a warning here, and here this item is empty. After selecting registered quantity, we will scroll down. We will see that the system, the warning has been disappeared. The system will give me a green sign, it's okay. And here will insert automatically the related lamp. Just we click after this quantity, we click OK. Scroll down here, click OK. We will click picking list. We will click on picking list button. What is picking list button? If you scroll down, it will appear for me. Click the printing option. We'll select click on original preview. What the system will do? Scroll back down your series. Scroll down. The system will print for me the picking list as a report. Until now, I will not do any physical activity. Just I picked. I picked the registered quantity. Then I will print the report. The system will tell me which item physically I should pick it. It will show for me the related item, the batch number, and all related details of the item. Here, my physical work will start. I will go to my warehouse. I will pick the item which is with the same batch number mentioned in the picking list. Clear for all? This is so sensitive. Let's say, an example, I have same item, two batches. The picking list, the system generated auto-registered another item. The system usually registered based on the first expiry. If by mistake I take another item, this what will do? It will corrupt my inventory based on the expiry date. So please, picking list, you should show here the scroll down the space.
Yeah. Parang ano ko na yung iba.
Once printing, don't select anything, just make sure
Bago lang ng selection ng transfer.
The system will generate for you the report. You will take.
Ayan guys, break time daw. May breakfast sa labas. Ang breakfast sa labas, tubig. Budol. As kay Marlon na. Kay Marlon, shout out. Ayan, ganyan. Say hi to my vlog, guys. Ayan, break time. Pero marami pa rin question, guys. More on ano pala to? More on transfer ng mga gamot, ganun. Tapos kung may mga expired items or zero stock kay Kuya Marlon natin yan sa current location tsaka balance niya. Ayan, marami pa rin silang question. Pero yung iba, naiintindihan ko naman. Ayan lang yung iba, parang ayaw pumasok kasi nga wala pa akong almusal. Na-expect ko pa naman na may almusal dito ngayon. Wala palang request ang department ng IT. So, ayan guys. Mag-10 o'clock na. Ayun. Nga, walang almusal. Kape, buti na nakapagkape kila kaya Marlon. Kape tayo guys. Yung break time guys. Ito yung mga naisulat ko. Process transfer code sa
D365 Finance and Operation nila. Ito yung bago. Yung pag-transfer ng from warehouse, ST3 or sa akin, ST47. Pagka-return naman ng mga expired formula, same scenario din pero reverse siya. From sa akin, ST47 to ST3. Nila Kuya Marlon. Ganon din sa stock items Excel report. Pagka zero stock ka na, ganon din ang process. Papadala mo din kay Kuya Marlon. Ayan, binigay sa akin yung email kasi wala pa ako access sa nila. Sa ganong transfer order. Sa akin yung old nila. May yung bago, wala pa. Binigay sa akin yung email. Tapos yung extension, naalala ko yung extension niya. 063, hindi na sumasagot. Sabi ko, I always call you didn't answer. Natawa siya eh. Kasi natanong ko yung pangalan, ayaw na sumagot. Hindi na ako kinausap. Yung current location for adjustment. If zero stock ka na. Send to Kuya Marlon. Yun lang guys. Ano na kami? Tawag dito. Nagbiro pa yung tutor namin na breakfast outside daw. Tingnan nyo guys yung breakfast outside. Ayan o. Tubig lang. Sama ni Kuya Ferdy. Guys. Tapos na guys. Ayun na. Picture na yung picture. Ayan. Subs to my channel. And guys, yung iba hindi ko nakilala. Si Ining lang kilala ko, si Kuya Marlon. Mas karamihan, puro bago. Saka si Everly, yung sama ni Kuya Ferdy. Tapos na ba? Are we done?
Just one final information, please.
Final information pa daw. So yun guys, may isang information pa. Ayan naman yung mga na pag-aralan ko kahit pa paano. May drawing pa guys. Sabi ko ano yun, tools pala yun. Click report sheet. Yes.
Just one final thing.
Final thing daw guys.
Our colleague just asked me regarding the configuration. Newer Dynamics, just I will make, let's say, MWH to SD30.
Alam ko na to.
For some users,
So ayan guys, integrity. Ayan guys. Dito ko na tinatapos guys kasi alam ko na yung tinuturo niya. Thank you for watching guys. God bless everyone. Bye. Guys, tapos na. Tapos na ang gutom kaming lahat. Walang madala yun. Puro tubig lang. Ang daming tubig. Kunin ko kayo isang kahon, no? Dito tayo sa department ni Mama Labs dati. Supply chain management. Ayan. Ayan, si Khalil, tsaka si Kuya Brad. Say hi to my vlog, guys. Mary. Morning. Mary. Ayan, guys, dito yung department dati ni Mama Labs. Kuya Johnny. pogi dito sa SCM, guys. Ayun. Wala si boss. Wala si Muhammad. Ayun, no? Say kakin na pa yun. Ayun, no? Mga pogi, ha? Ayan na. Ay, order lang ako ng sapatos, ha? Ba't dinikris niya yung sapatos ko? Ginawa niyo isa lang. Okay. Ayan, guys. Si Kuya Edward. Ayan, ha? What's up, girl? How are you? Say hi to Mama Loves. Okay. See you, guys. Ayan. Tapos na kami dun sa labas. May tatanong pa ako kay Kuya. Ano yan kay Jan? Ha? Ay, in-email mo. Ayan. Ano yan? Ano yan? Ay, ganun talaga. Wala kang gatas eh. Walang dumating. Ano ba? Nagbabayad ba tayo ng gatas? So yun guys, bye! Uwian na! Thank you for watching. God bless everyone!
Papa Labs TV Official. Subscribe and click the bell.